My people, it be like say soon inside Nigeria, fight go still happen between our politicians. This one what they talk about now about Governor Obasanjo. This man self don't put mouth about the way where this Buhari administration they just they borrow money anyhow. And I know say recently this man Buhari approved a National Assembly to go borrow $4 billion. I know they talk of 4 million naira. $4 billion say they want some commission something. Now the Obasanjo self consider and reason all this money one I beg wetin na dey use and do. Wetin be the essence of borrowing and borrowing in which una no even pay this money back? Na there baba come aside o. Come dey complain, dey share im own mind say this one no him no like am. My viewers abeg make na follow me watch.
If you want to build a commercial house and you go and borrow money and you have 50% of your own money and you borrow 50%, and in 5 years you will pay the 50% that you borrow, that is the right thing to do. But if you have to go and borrow money for you to be able to feed you and your family, that's a stupid thing to do. So if we are borrowing for recurrent expenditure, it is height of folly. If we are borrowing for development that can pay itself, of course, that is understandable. Then the paying itself, how long will it take to pay itself? But if you are borrowing and you are accumulating debt for the next generation and the next generation after them, it is criminal, to put it mildly.
Ha baba, you talk well. But me, I for even like say you go face Buhari. Talk am for in front, maybe by then in ear where the pen it go open. Maybe by that time in go hear everything where they open. But me, I don't reason all this. Oga, now your footstep they follow. Because from the beginning, Oga Obasanjo, now you even commission this Buhari of a person. Now you carry and come and say, now him be the choosing one. And make everybody say the support and say baba, say baba. Now I even thank God say you self don't dey see and say all the thing wey this man dey do, he no even follow. Because now so you self when you come out at that time, you can say you won't come commission one kind train. Reach today we no see that train, but we will just assume say okay, your own na in the past. But I beg, what about this Buhari own? You will be say you dey in the future, we think say na change you won't come bring. I beg all the change wey dey even we no dey see anyone. This one na all this money wey na dey I no dey even know wetin na dey use and do. I know one come here say later now to say everybody inside Nigeria go begin pay for 5,000. Me I no get any money because so when they borrow, we no even know what they happen. Money when they collect, we know they see what they use and do. And with the way where this country they go with their borrow, sooner or later China they go come claim Nigeria. Not even only Nigeria. They go claim Africa. All of them will be saying that they borrow money because all the thing when they even collect this money, if they even do use and do good thing. When we say citizens, they say okay, we use and commission land, we use and do at least people will support you. Okay, fine. This money when they collect, when they use and do something. On just they accumulate debt. For the next person will go come. That one now will come start to they suffer. And now what if Papa they outside they complain about? So all this one that they do, in fact, it just they very, very criminal. So everything that they do, on just they act like so on a be thief. Because the two one that they do, on know they give account of what that they do. Today you collect money, tomorrow you won't collect another money. At least give account of the old one. Make you know say, okay, fine, you don't spend the money finish. Oh, you still need some change. Now what make you they ask for money again? No, we say go just they sleep, wake up. And with the way things they go, but when they talk and say, if this man no stop this acting, this one go turn to problem for this country, Nigeria. Sooner or later in the future, people will come they suffer for all this money they don't accumulate. Because maybe by then say this Baba no giving day again. Maybe Buhari said by that time he go there even die. The people go come there in power, now they go come they suffer. For something with them they don't even know. So I hope say this one where Obasanjo don't come as I talk. I hope say him and in group they go call this book follow and talk. Make him and in administration sit down. Think and reason and well. The only way that they spend money, you know they make sense. At least even if they won't spend them on our citizens. On a talk say I go carry job come outside 2,000 job. How many thousand? In fact, one job people never see. So at least make now use that money, do some other things. Things will be say it go help citizens. Not be mumu things will be say no make sense. Now come outside. Anyway, this one are for us to just they look this Buhari because anything when don't make up in mind to do now waiting they do. So until that 2023, I sure say now by then this man will decide say he won't claim in change. Aside that, now make all of us they pray for this man say God go touch in heart to make him change. My people, now here I go end am with this matter. Make una stay tuned for our next story.